If you are South Sudanese who is supporting what is happening in the Nuer land, this message is for you. I will start with those in my comment, particularly the Dinka men who are behind keyboards, typing, sharing for the killing of women and children. That's who I will start with. If you are a Dinka man who is condemning this or does not support this whatsoever, this message is not toward you at all. But it is toward those who are sharing and who are saying that revenge is served. This message is for you. Now that you are here, Dinka men who are typing hateful messages on my videos, my peaceful videos, that I'm just bringing awareness of what is happening, what is tearing our country apart, and I'm bringing awareness on to the international community so they can know and can be informed on what is happening. This message is for you. 1. For those who are saying that revenge is served, you're simply a coward. The government is doing revenge on your behalf, and you're sitting behind the keyboard sharing the government on. The government is not even doing it with the soldiers that he did not pay for years, but spending millions of dollars to our neighbor country, Uganda, to bomb children and women. And you stand for this. And you stand for this. Shameful. If you want a revenge so bad, why don't you go get it yourself? If you really want a revenge toward the Nuer, why get the government to do it on your behalf? That's the most cowardly thing I ever heard. Again, this is not all Dinka men. Those men sharing the government on and saying that you get what you deserve. The children of Nasser did not deserve that. The women of Nasser did not deserve to be burned like that. That land doesn't deserve to be burned that way. And it's a land of South Sudanese at large. Therefore, that's the most pathetic thing you could ever done. To sit behind and share on a government that's committing atrocities, that's committing human rights violations. This is to you, those useless Dinka men sharing because you failed to fight your wars. If you really think you need a revenge, why didn't you go face the White Army then? Why? Exactly. So you're a coward. Okay? To all the bystanders that are just watching and not participating in this hateful voice, but they're not also saying and bringing balance, you're part of the problem. Because now, I wholeheartedly thought that this is the strategy of a government that's trying to divide and conquer. And all my messages, I never want to believe is a Nuer versus Dinka issue. As a Dinka person, it's your responsibility to set the record straight. This is the tactics that the government is using, and I thought we all knew. I was believing for us civilians to stand up and protest. The street of Juba should be full of protests right now. But instead, I'm seeing hateful, distasteful comments on my video that's simply saying, let's de-escalate the situation. No one wants war. That's simply what I've been saying. And I've been advocating that this is the tactics of the government. It's not Nuer versus Dinka. Go watch all my videos. That's nothing but facts. That's all I've been talking about. But you, those individuals that are typing on my comments, your heart is so full of hatred that you justify a child being burned alive. That child belonged to all South Sudanese. That child could be yours.